Today we are going to talk about access list using Cisco routers. Access list, as its name indicates, it's a filter which is used to control packets, the flow of packets from one network to another one, from a source network to a destination network. So let's see, in this example, we have a small internet network made of two routers, RTA and RTB. These two routers are connected using serial link with the network address 192.168.0.0/30. We are subnetting. Each router is connected to a fast Ethernet interface through a fast Ethernet interface to an Ethernet LAN. Each LAN has two hosts, host 1 and host 2 in the first LAN, host 3 and host 4 in the second LAN. Of course, here we are using network addresses, subnetted network addresses for addressing purpose. The first goal consists of implementing an access list, to prevent, for example, this network 172.16.0.0 from accessing this network 172.31.0.0. The first access list we're going to use is what we call a standard access list. And standard access list should always be applied closer to the destination. So if I'm host 1 or host 2 and I want to access host 3 and host 4, and I'll be denied access to this network, provided that my access list is configured on router RTB. So first, let's go to RTB. Router RTB, right? Then I start configuring my router like this. Let me just resize the terminal. I go into the privileged mode. Now from the privileged mode, I move into the global configuration mode, from where I will start configuring my access list. So the standard access list should be given index between 1 and 99. For me, I will choose index 50, but I have to make sure that there is no access list with this index configured, so I will type the command show access list. There is no access list configured, so now I can go and configure access list 50 and say, okay, this access list will deny traffic coming from network 172.16.0.0 with subnet mask 0.0.0.255. And then I will apply this. We go back to the diagram. I'm going to apply the access list to serial 10 on RTB, and it's going to filter all incoming packets in inbound direction. So I will go back to the terminal of RTB, enter the serial interface 1/0, IP access group 50, and then it will be applied to filter all inbound packets in, right? Okay, so let's check again if the access list is properly applied. Yes. Actually, this is the implementation of the access list. We'll do that, right? Then we go for testing. We'd like to test from host 1. I'd like to ping host 3 or host 4. Let's do that. Okay, I need to resize my terminal like this, and then from RTA, or sorry, from host 1, right, let me just resize. From host 1, I'm going to ping 172.31.0.1, no reply, okay, unreachable. So in fact, what I'm doing, I am pinging from host 1, I'm trying to ping host 3, IP address 172.31.0.1. I will also try to ping host 4, 172.31.0.2. So, see, unreachable. I ping the host 4, same thing. So like this, If I want to see what's going on router RTB, right, RTB, show access list, 20 matches. So packets have been matched against the access list and they have been denied access to the network, to the segment from where I'm preventing them to have access to. The problem with the standard access list is that the complete source network will be blocked or will be denied access to a destination network. So when I apply this packet here, it will be applied in the to filter inbound packets. So it's always better to apply the standard access list in the ingress interface for filtering inbound traffic rather than on the outbound traffic. But of course it depends on the scenario that you have at hand, especially if the router RTB is connected through different Ethernet interfaces to other networks. Thank you. This is Hakim Adish. See you next time. Bye.